Hi guys, for today's video we are going to try this DHU. It's a color boosting gloss, and it claims that you just leave it in the hair. It's like a leave-in conditioner. Shampoo your hair first and then leave it for 3 to 20 minutes if you want more intensive results, which is what we're going to do. And then it claims that you are supposed to have a new hair color. So if you want to see how it goes, keep on watching. Oh, also, before I forget, these retails at Ulta, I believe the price is $30, and you can add apply coupons to this, at least like the regular 3 off of from 15. So if you want to try it, you can also get it over there. And let's go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so we already washed the hair, and now what we're going to do is we are going to spread it out evenly. And choose this color again, this warm medium brown. So we're going to apply it all over, and I'm gonna leave it there like for about 20 minutes. We're going to spread it out evenly. It says that, it says from 3 to 20 minutes. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after. So this is like for semi-permanent results. Don't know what that means because this is even like my first time trying out like to dye my hair. So not sure like how long that is going to last. We will see. It smells pretty good. So it's from 3 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave it 20 since I want more drastic results. So far I don't see no difference. But we'll see. I'm gonna go wash my hands. And let's see. So it is 6:46. So I should be rinsing this off around 7. Alright, yeah, so it is already 7:11. 7 twice. I didn't notice any difference. Now it does claim like if you want, like more dramatic results, I would leave it longer or in dry hair. So what I'm thinking about doing is, wait until it dries and then see if it works or if it was just like a waste of money and time. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Alright, you guys, as you can see, the date and time has changed. I left it on for way more than 12 hours. I didn't notice any difference. This is supposed to be like a medium brown, so I guess it's supposed to be like this. So my hair is dark black, so not sure. I didn't see any difference. It does smell very good, and my hair feels soft, but I don't think this product was for me. Probably if you want to dye, if you're blonde and you want to dye it black, you can probably go ahead and give it a try, but I wouldn't recommend this. I think it's a waste of time and money, unfortunately. But I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one. Bye bye.